Sapphire Botanicals' first offering is dropping today, and it's coconut charcoal. Basically, this can be used for drawing, this can be used for painting. You can add water and make it a paste in that way, and you can also use it to burn resins. You can use it to burn incenses, and when you're going camping, you can tap this into the fire and get a fire going for cooking or just to keep warm. That at $14 for 3 ounces. And otherwise, if you're feeling it, you can do some trades with me. There's something that I didn't list and you feel like is a good trade for this offering, then talk to me about it. I'm open to it. And yeah, I'm so happy and excited. This feels surreal. I'm like nervous. Wow. The packaging is upcycled paper bags. So these paper bags that you're getting from like Publix or that you may be using in your home to create sandwiches, feel free to donate those to me, as this is an upcycling business. You can also donate coconuts to me. I prefer green coconuts, but I will take them all because I turn brown coconuts into bowls. I'm so excited to just keep giving back to this land that is given to me and given so much to me. So yeah, wishing you abundance, wishing you happiness, health, and all things love, all things light. Like, hope you receive it, and I hope you give it on to somebody else. All that. Peace.